Alright, so I finally got my bolts loosened. One is back in there somewhere. I think might be able to pick it up. Yeah, that's it right there. So that's it. That's one, the right side bolt. And I think the second left side bolt is right there. So I loosened those up going under the car. Just to wiggle the starter and make sure those are the right bolts before I remove them all the way. Okay, so without removing the wiring harness, it's a little bit of a challenge getting the bolts out. You can see where I've got the gold bolt extended, but with the wiring harness is behind them, it's a bit of a challenge to remove them. I don't think I'm a fool with removing them. I've unscrewed them, and looks like the starter has actually detached from the back side, so that's what we're going to do, is go into the car, see if we can't pull the starter out, get the new one ready to go in. Alright, so got news. Put the starter in. Basically just tightened up the I put the starter in place, had my wife tighten up the gold bolts, and once she got it, the thread started, came out, tightened them up, and hooked up the two electrical connections and just tested her, and she fired right up. Now again, my connection, or my start issue, was intermittent, but it does mean that I put the starter on, and the starter and the starter solenoids hooked up right. Nothing going straight to ground or anything weird like that, so that's encouraging. So I'm going to put all this stuff together as far as the airflow and a couple other connections, and then we'll be done and ready for test drive.